Hello and welcome to GrandWP Event Calendar plugin tutorial video. In this video, you can find a brief example of how you can download and install the Event Calendar plugin on your WordPress website. Okay, let's get started. At first, got to Add New Plugin section. In the top search field, type GrandWP Event Calendar. Here it is. Press on Install Now button and wait a few seconds. Finally, activate it. And let's see what we have got. As you can see, the Event Calendar plugin appeared on the left sidebar. The first section in the plugin is for events. Here you will see and manage all your events. My first event is the default event that comes with the plugin. You can quick edit, view or trash the events right from this list. Add New Event button is located on the top of the list. Before creating a new event, let's quickly run through the other pages. On Event Categories page, you can create and manage categories for events. Event tags will help you to group events by tag logic. Both tags and categories are similar to standard WordPress posts, but only for GrandWP calendar events. Next on the menu is Calendars. The plugin allows you to add unlimited calendars on your website. Again, just by clicking on Add New button, you can add as many calendars as you wish. You can see standard and PHP shortcodes are available for each calendar, so publishing is easy. And of course, fast managing buttons under the titles. Okay, let's go forward. The next in line is Organizers page. Organizers are those who take part in event creating process. Each event can have an unlimited amount of organizers. Adding an organizer is as simple as adding event or calendar. Then of course, I'm going to go to my venues. I'll show how to connect your events to your venues a little bit later. The next in line is the Themes page. This is the demo page. Themes options are available only in Pro version of the plugin. So, if you need 10 default themes and options to customize them, you need to upgrade your version of plugin. Okay, now let's together create an event calendar and publish it on our website. As we already have a created calendar, let's just customize it. Click on Title of the calendar. And here we are. This is the managing page of the single calendar. On the top of the page, you can see the title of the calendar and its URL. Yes, plugin creates URL for each calendar. And if you click on it, you will go to the certain calendar page. The section below is for display options. You can select whether you want to show events by category, by tags, common organizers, or events with the same venues. Let's select tags. We haven't created tags yet, that's why they didn't appear here. Same with categories. Okay, let's finish with the calendar page and we will back to them later. After display options comes views. These are the ways the calendar will show your events on the front end. You have 4 different views to select, but the last year view is Pro option. Also, here is the Select Theme option for Pro version users. All these 12 beautiful themes will be available after you upgrade the plugin. On the sidebar, you can find Publish with Shortcodes section. Both standard and PHP shortcodes are available for the plugin. This was all necessary things you need to know about the calendar. Now, let's go to create an event and publish it on our calendar. We actually have an event already, so let's work on this one. The event page is very similar to standard WordPress post page. Again, title and URL. Standard description field. And additional options regarding events. From these options, you can set the duration for the event. For example, if you activate this option, the event will be set to take all day. Select the starting date for your event. For example, I pick 5th of September. The yellow background shows the current day. Select the starting time for the event and press Done. Do the same for the end date and select the time zone. Repeat option gives you an opportunity to create recurring events. Select how frequently you want to repeat the event, and the number of delays between repeating. Like, for example, if I select a day option and the number is 2, it means the event will be repeated each second day. Below you can set the price for the event, give the currency to it, and even select the position of the currency symbol. The next in event settings is venue. Previously created venues will appear in this select box. You can also add venues from this page clicking on this button. Organizers are placed in multiple selecting box. That means you can add more than one organizer on each event. You can add organizers from this page too. Given featured image will appear above your event page. Tags and categories will determine on which calendar this event will be shown. There is nothing to select as we didn't add any. So let's go to categories page and create one. I'll name it my first category. Press on Add New button, and category is created. Okay, let's back to the event page and see what we've got. As you can see, my first category is added under All Categories tab. Let's select it and update the event. Now, as our event belongs to my first category, let's go and connect it with my first and only calendar. Here is my first category appeared on display options. Each selected category means that calendar will show all the events that belong to the certain category. Let's publish our calendar and see whether event appeared on it or not. I'll do it using shortcode. Let's create a new page and place the shortcode there. Publish it, and let's see what we've got. Here it is, GrandWP calendar with the default theme and 3 activated views. On the top of the plugin, you can see the search bar and date picker on the other side. Day, week and month buttons are on the middle. But I will leave these 2 views as a surprise for you. Download the plugin and check them out. Now, let's back to our event and see what we have here. As you can see, it's on the 5th of September on our given date. Click on Event will take you to the event page. Here you will find all the details of the event. Let's add some more information to it. At first, I'm going to make it a recurring event. Activating a repeat option. Day and number are already set. Now let's give a cover image to the event. Okay. And let's add some description. Update the event. By the way, as a standard WordPress post, you have View Event button on the top menu. Perfect. Now it looks much more better. On Pro version of the plugin, there would be a Google Map under the location. Now, I would like to go back to my calendar and show you something. As you can see, we already have multiple events on our calendar. That's because I have activated the recruiting event option, and now the event appeared on each second day. That's all, Sparkies. This was the brief information that I could give you in 10 minutes. If you have further questions, please feel free to ask on the support forum. We are very active on the forum and usually respond in a few hours. Also, you can find answers to your questions reading our documentation. And if you have problems with inspiration, check out our demos. If you are still watching this video, then you have more than a tutorial but a huge hug from me. Thanks dear. Bye.